Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you arsenous acid. Let we see arsenous acid. Arsenous acid. Which are arsenous acids? According to the Arrhenius theory, a substance which has a hydrogen atoms and can easily give one hydrogen ions or proton in its aqueous solution is called an arsenous acid. For example, when hydrochloric acid is dissolved in water, it forms chloric ion C8- and hydronium ions H3O+. Arrhenius definition for acid. Acid are those substances which release H plus ions when dissolved in water. The trick of recognizing an arsenous acid is to look for a molecule that starts with an H and typically contains an oxygen or halogen. Common examples of arsenous acid include hydrochloric acid, HCl, nitric acid, HNO3. Three examples for arsenous acid. Other example of arsenous acid include sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrobromic acid HBr, and nitric acid HNO3. Examples of arsenous bases include sodium hydrox NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. An arsenous acid is something that donates a proton to water, and Brostad's lower concept extends this to any substance where an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. According to Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance that gives H plus ions on dissolving in the aqueous solution. It increases the concentration of H plus ions in the solution. The base is a substance that ionizes OH minus ions by dissolving in the aqueous solution. The concentration of OH minus ions is highly in the solution. The common example of arsenous acid includes HCl, hydrochloric acid H2SO4, sulfuric acid HNO3, nitric acid, etc. as shown in table 1. Thus, water qualifies as a substance that dissociates in water to form H plus ions. It also qualified as a substance that dissociates in water to form OH ions. It is both an arsenous acid and an arsenous basis, thus the only arsenous amphoteric compound. To be an arsenous acid, the pH must be less than 7. Since the pH is 6, the solution is indeed an arsenous acid. An arsenous acid is a compound that increases the H plus ion concentration in an aqueous solution. Classes arsenous acid can be considered highly polarized covalent compound which undergoes dissociated in water producing an ion A minus and H plus as the cation. The H plus is usually referred to as a proton. If a polyatomic anion that is named used an ation suffix is present in is an arsenous acid, the acid should be named used an I-acid suff, and an itic ion polyatomic suffix should be replaced os acid suffix when naming a polyatom arsenine acid. The most common arsenonic acid's name is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfur acid. Hydrochloric formula is HCl, nitric acid formula is HNO3, and sulfuric acid H2SO4. This is the common acid. It includes arsenonic acids. There are three main acids are included in these. I hope guys you understand this video and you like this video. Guys, if you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much guys for watch this video guys.